Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Acrylic Drawer Organizer Stackable, a versatile storage solution with 7 drawers in 4 different sizes designed to meet all your organizational needs. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, this organizer is both durable and sturdy, offering waterproof and dustproof protection to keep your belongings safe. Its stackable design ensures you can maximize your space while keeping your items neatly arranged and easily accessible. The transparent design allows you to see the contents of each drawer at a glance, making it simple to find exactly what you need when you need it. Whether you're storing hair accessories, office supplies, Lego toys, cosmetics, or jewelry, this multi-purpose organizer is perfect for any room, from your vanity to your bathroom countertop. By utilizing minimal space to organize a multitude of items, this desktop organizer is an essential addition to your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.